libraries in one place.
I like it too. It's the most relaxing, peaceful place in every day.
Well, this doesn't look relaxing or peaceful at all. Poor Edward Reed is a bit frazzled.
Please, please, one at a time.
Are you okay, Edward?
Oh, hello. Not really. My assistant librarian has a day off today, so I'm all alone. There are books to sort, library cards to issue, people to shush.
Maybe I can help. It would be fun to be a librarian.
Oh, yes, please, Maya. That's so kind of you. Right. First things first. Are you returning this book, Dada Go?
Well, yes, but, you see, it's,
My goodness. This was due back in 1988.
Yes. Sorry about that.
Well, not to worry. Better late than never, I say. Now then, Maya, are you ready to be a librarian?
Yes!
Then let's go. We've got work to do.
Mya Go and Edward Reed are helping everyone in the library queue to find the books they're looking for.
Yar. My whole life I've been desperately searching for a good book about being a sea captain, but it's always escaped me. Any recommendations?
Well, Moby Dick is supposed to be good.
Finally, after all these years, I've got my hands on you. Thanks.
I'm planning a long car journey, and I need to know the way. Where are the maps?
Would they be in the travel section, Edward?
Excellent, Maya. That's exactly where they are.
Okay, follow this shelf all the way down. Then go left, then it's straight on for 2 bookcases. If you see the poetry section, you've gone too far.
Perfect. Thank you, Maya.
Good work, Mya Go. You really know this library. I think you're ready for some more advanced jobs.
Edward Reed is teaching Mya Go how to tell people to be quiet in the library without being rude.
There's a knack to a good shush, Maya. It must be firm, but always polite.
Firm but polite. Got it.
So, you see, it had fallen down the back of the bookcase. I didn't even know it was there.
Well then, give it a go, Maya. Remember, firm but polite.
Shush, Dada. No loud talking in the library, please.
Oops. Sorry, Maya.
Well done, Maya. Now, let's get the rest of the library in order.
Well, Maya and Edward make a great librarian team, stamping books, taking photos for new library cards, and restocking the shelves. Now that's a little bit more like the tidy, peaceful library I remember.
Great work, Mya Go.
You're welcome. It was really great fun being a librarian.
Mya Go is reading all about animals with her friend Emily Share.
Okay, Emily. What's the biggest animal in the world? The whale. Correct. Last one. What's the fastest animal on Earth? Tortoise? That's not what it says here. No, tortoise, over there. Look. It's eating my comic books.
Everything okay out here? Is that a tortoise?
Yeah, her name is Abigail. Where do you think she came from?
Well, she must belong to somebody in every day.
We should help her find her way home.
Someone must know who she belongs to.
No, Abigail. That's a book, not breakfast.
And Captain Orangebeard and the other brave pirates set sail once again in search of treasure. The end.
The Brave Pirate is my favorite book ever.
I wouldn't have guessed. We've only read it about 50 times.
That's not nearly enough. I want to read it 100 times or 1,000.
And I'm sure we will.
When I grow up, I want to be a pirate. Arr! And sail the seas as well.
I think you'd make a wonderful pirate.
I would be very brave, too. Land ahoy!
Okay, time for bed now. Even pirates need to sleep. Night-night.
Oh, that's a big yawn, Sammy.
Night-night.
I'm feeling sleepy myself now. Oh, or maybe not. That sounds like a storm.
Was that thunder?
I think so.
It is! Sammy, no like thunder. Don't be scared. It's just the sound of the sea as the brave pirates sail their ship looking for treasure. We are brave pirates. And this is our pirate ship. We have lots of treasure to find. It's time to set sail. Quick, Sammy, there's a big wave coming.
Oh, something tells me we're going on an adventure. Ha-ha! A pirate adventure!
Well done, Sammy. You're very brave.
Ha-ha! Mya and Sammy Go are taking on stormy seas.
Let me see.
It's fun being a pirate.
Land ahoy!
Ha-ha! Mya Go has spotted something dead ahead.
Oh, what's this? It's a treasure map.
Ha-ha, me hearties.
We have to get there before any other pirates do. It's a race against time. It's time to take to the sea.
Time to set sail.
The waves are getting bigger. Hold on tight. Almost there. That was very brave sailing.
Oh, I like the telescope.
Yippee! It's the island on our treasure map.
Anchors away! Ho-har!
We have to dig like pirates, Sammy. What?
Oh, that's really good digging, Mya. You really are a great pirate.
Yo ho ho.
Ha ha ha!
Yo yo yo.